Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This morning, my daughter requested me to make some belacan fried chicken for her, so here I am making it right now. Very simple. So, to make it simpler, I actually always tend to use the middle part of the wings only, yeah, which will later when we deep fry or later when we deep fry will be much more easier. Okay, then we will need 1 egg to help combine everything together. I will put in some rice flour. You can use starch powder, any kind of starch powder also can, right? Then I have some fish sauce, saucing wine, oyster sauce. Most important thing, the belacan, toasted belacan powder, which is already toasted, so you can use it straight away. Very convenient, and you can get it from many shopping center in Malaysia. Then we have my cooking appa chicken stock powder, optional. I have some fried garlic oil here. Sorry, I have some fried ginger oil here. This is optional. This is very simple. Marinate it and also fry. Let's give it a few dashes of fish sauce. Saucing wine. For those who don't take alcohol, just omit this. Good to have. It will help to remove the gaminess of the chicken. Then oyster sauce. Not too much because oyster sauce contains sugar inside. You don't want to make your chicken too dark later when deep frying. Of course, most importantly is this, the toasted belacan powder. Already super fragrant. About 1.5 teaspoons. For those who have my cooking appa chicken stock powder, put it in. This is for added flavor. I'm putting some fried ginger and also ginger oil. You can use garlic oil also or any fragrance oil that you have. Let me put in a little bit of sugar, fine sugar. Put in the egg. Let's mix everything up together. Next thing, I'm going to add in the rice flour. I'm putting a little bit more today because I would like to have a little bit more crust in today's version. So how much crust really depends on you. Today I put in quite a bit more of the flour, rice flour, so we can have a little bit more crust until you get this kind of very sticky, thick consistency. I'll put a plate on top, and then we should put it inside the fridge, marinate it for minimum 2 to 3 hours. The marination time in the fridge is super important. If not, your chicken won't have any flavor inside, okay? So this is after about a few hours. I took the marinated chicken out from the fridge and I coat it with another very thin layer of rice powder. Let's heat up some oil. Not too hot, yeah? Don't make it too hot. Medium heated oil is good enough. So today's version has a little bit more crust than the previous version because I added more rice flour during the marination. After that, before frying, I also coat it with another layer of rice flour. Okay, so let's fry it. Don't use too high heat. Slowly fry it. Wow, my whole house smells like belacan right now. Fry this after about 1 minute. Let me flip the chicken over and I can feel the crispiness because more crust, yeah? Today we got more crust, more crispy. Look a little bit like KFC, but it is the belacan flavor. I wonder if Malaysian KFC would do one day a belacan flavor fried chicken. I think they should. Oh, very nice. Tune down the fire a little bit because I think I need to fry for at least about 5 minutes. I put on the lid to help the cooking process. Right, this is after another 2 minutes. Let's turn it around. Oh, very fragrant. And very crispy. Beautiful crust. Oh. So I just need to give it another, I think about 2 minutes, then it should be fully cooked. Right, total frying time coming to about 6 minutes here. Some of it should be done, should be ready. The small one, this one, definitely ready. I can actually take it out and put it on top of an oil absorbing paper. Right, so here's my very simple belacan fried chicken. You can just make it at home so easily. Dinner doesn't have to be very complicated. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.